Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can create a new partition or create a new drive for your Windows. So let me open my File Explorer first. So these are the partitions or the drives in my Windows. We have the Windows C drive and my Google Drive, which is in the E drive name. Now I want to make a new partition or a new drive because I want to save files from that drive and not in my Windows C drive. Now how can we do that? Well, the process is just very easy. Look at your start button, right click on that, and then select disk management. Then once the disk management is opened, maximize this, or you can simply open your file explorer. Then right click on this PC and then select show more options. Click on manage. Then here click on this disk management and the same window will appear. Now here in the disk management window, we have here the Windows C drive and the Google Drive. Now we are going to make a right click on the Windows or the drive which has a high capacity. How can we do that? Make a right click on your Windows C drive and then select shrink volume. Shrink volume for available shrink space, so we just need to wait for this. So here you have to enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. So 10,000 MB, that is around 10 gigabytes. So I'm going to input here 10,000. 10 gigabytes is around 10,000 MB. So I'm going to put here 10,000 and click on shrink. And let's just wait for this. And now we have created 9.77 gigabytes unallocated space. So with the unallocated space that you have created, right click on that and then select new simple volume. Now this new simple volume wizard will appear. To continue, click next. So we are going to click next. Then here the simple volume size and MB, this is 10,000. We are not going to make any changes right here. So we are just going to click on next. Now assign the following drive letter. So in the list of letters right here from A to Z, I'm going to choose R. Then click on next. Now the file system, it should be NTFS. Allocation unit size, that is by default. Volume label, you can change this. I can change this into partition or any name that you like or any label that you like for the volume label. Now make sure also to check this box for perform a quick format and click on next. Now click on finish. And now we have just created a new partition or a new drive in our Windows, which is the partition R drive or the R drive, which is the new drive of our Windows. Now let's confirm in the File Explorer. So here, as you can see in my File Explorer, we have the new drive or the new partition, which is the R drive. So this is how you can do it, and you can easily transfer files from your Windows C drive into the partition drive, partition R drive, or the new drive that you have created. The process is just very easy, and this is very helpful for you. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button, and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video, and have a nice day.